What's up guys, and welcome to another episode of iLiveWild. Today we carry on with the Bakkie build. As you can see behind me, there's been a couple of changes since the last time that you guys have seen. Most important one in this video that I'm talking about especially is what's happening on the front of the vehicle as well as on the back. I have partnered up with Wildog Accessories, 4x4 Accessories. They are building those phenomenal front replacement bumpers as well as the rears. They also do side steps for a variety of vehicles. So yeah guys, they mounted the bull bar on the front of the Bakkie. I have done a whole bunch of video while we fitted and done the whole 9 yards, but unfortunately I have lost a whole array of my footage due to a hard drive that got cloned. So yeah, unfortunately I can only put in here whatever you guys are looking at currently or have looked at by now. Let me just show you guys a bit more about this. So the bumpers are next level. They are e-coated, powder coated. As you guys can see, they are nice little details, little paw print there, shackle mounts, it's winch compatible. More of that a bit later. Next video you'll see what's going on there as a little sneak preview. A little nudge on the front for spotlight mounts. They have however added the mounting for the light bar for me especially upon my request, because I've been running that light bar for some time. On the other side, the nice little Wildog made in South Africa patch, LED lights from Hella in the bumper as a standard. It's a phenomenal bar guys. If you want to protect your vehicle, definitely look at Wildog. They go above and beyond to give everybody peace of mind when it comes to off-road protection and just looks in general. Back I've got what they call the Alpha bar. So very sleek, very modern, very nice. 2 recovery points as well, standard, plus a tow hitch. So yeah guys, that is the Wildog setup. I hope you guys enjoy. If you need anything 4-wheel drive, any accessories for your vehicle, from recovery kits to bumpers to spotlights to whatever you can think of, go give the guys at Wildog a pop in or have a chat with them and see what they can do for your vehicle. They are a one-stop shop for just about anything and everything when it comes to 4-wheel drive vehicles and overlanding and camping. So yeah guys, hope you enjoy. Until the next one, that is the next episode. Cheers guys.